This is Matt, or Trapper from the Unknown Outdoors. Just got off the live. Told you everybody I'm out here in the live. I was telling everybody I was out here with the cameraman. We were just going to do a hike. That's all we were going to do, and film a hike today. But when we got here, cameraman, as he always likes to talk, he was talking to some people and said that there was a sighting out here yesterday. So we were going to do a night hunt tonight, and that was going to be a live. But we decided we're going to do this hike and actually film our research. If you guys catch anything on video, again, this is going to be a hike / research hunt kind of thing. If you guys see anything, please put it on the Facebook page of the Cameraman and crew so we can see if there's enough evidence out here to do a live. So if we put it on the Facebook page, the Cameraman and the whole crew can look at it and also make a decision if we to come out here, if it's worth coming out here at night. We got a long ways to go to where the sighting was. The sighting was about 4 miles in. We're going to do this before dark because we don't have anything with us to do a night hunt. So we have a long ways to hike. But on our way out, we will look for evidence as well on our way out where the sighting was. When we get to that area where the sighting was, we will let you guys know where that sighting was. And we'll continue on from there looking for research. But we have to be out of the woods before dark because we do not have lights to get out. I think Cameraman has 2 lights on him. But I'm in my hiking clothes, like I said in the live. So, alright guys, this is going to be a hike / hunt research kind of thing. So you guys will see the trail on this video. So I hope you guys watch it, even though it is a hiking video / research video. So please, hope you all watch it, the entire thing, to catch anything that's out here. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, we are still going down the trail. Cameraman is actually filming as well, doing videos. So like I said, this is supposed to be a hiking video. So I am going to film it like it's a hiking video. But I need you guys to keep your eyes open too. And we're going to look for areas, but we're not even close to where the sighting happened to be at. This is where we're at. I'm going down. We're all gonna have to come up to. See, the cameraman's back there. He's filming. It is a beautiful hike. A beautiful area. But we have to keep kind of moving if we want to get to the area where the sighting was at. Oh, I think that's just a stump back there. I'm not sure. The trail is really slippery today. It just rained here. Sorry. Remember, all my hiking videos, when I do videos, they're uncut. They're raw. I don't I don't edit anything. I don't even take clips out. So you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. If I screw up on camera, trip, fall, cuss, or anything by an accident, I'm really sorry. But I do everything raw when I'm videoing, just like if it's alive. Alright, we're still heading out. So, those are the blazes that we're following. What's up?
That's pretty big.
Yeah, something broke.
Something came down to go through here.
Yeah.
We can't use any of these tracks in the mud because we don't know if they're human or not.
Right, that's the thing. You can't.
Maybe it's through here.
It's a game trail. Going through there, pretty good sized game trail.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Wide opening. It isn't like this right here where it's low overhang.
Right. I can't believe how, but it is muddy out here. You might find some tracks here.
You know what? Why don't you, well, you want to continue down a little bit? I'll go back up in here.
That's fine.
And I'll see what I can
Does this
do.
trail wrap around, you think?
If it don't, I'm still in eye shot of you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Can I say something to everybody?
Yeah.
If y'all could, please hit that like and subscribe button. We really appreciate you all, and we do this all year round. Me and Trapper and the guys, and he's camera too for these hunts. And we each have a drone.
Oh, you're gonna bring that up now.
Yeah, so you'll want to catch his drone footage for sure.
Yeah, we're not using the drone today though.
No, not today. We seriously.
It literally was supposed to be a hiking video.
Yeah. But thank you all for watching. Hey, you see something, leave it in the comments below. We'll definitely get on it, credit you with the find.
You got it.
All right, I'll get up in here.
That's gonna be all swamp in that area though.
Yeah.
I'm watching it right now.
Yeah, that's why.
And it turns into swamp down here when
Yeah, just be careful. I'll stay in eye shot. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, as you go down, I'll keep on following you. But
we don't have radios or nothing, so
no, we don't.
we can't really split up all that much. Well, one of us will get lost out here.
Right. And I don't really get lost without. I mean, I do have some survival gear if we need it, but nothing that we usually pack.
So that's.
You know what? I'm gonna hold off on getting there
Yeah, I would.
until at least we get down here. That looks. See that bowl that we were talking about?
Yeah.
That looks like that.
Yeah, all right, I found a trail here. I don't know where it goes, but it's more of a, it's like more of a human's trail. Haha, I know what it is. It's a stealth camping site. When you're on the Buckeye Trail, some of these places you can't hike, you can't camp in, but they make stealth camping sites on the Buckeye Trail, because you got to realize the Buckeye Trail is 1,400 miles long. Some state forests and national parks, they will not allow you to camp off the trail. So every once in a while, you'll find a trail off the main trail, and it will kind of be for a stealth campsite, which I believe is a good thing, because if you're on trail and you've been hiking all day, you got to stop somewhere. That's safety. Your body gets into fatigue, you got to stop. So but yeah, we're going to continue on until we get to the spot. I don't know where Jack's behind. Oh, the cameraman's behind me somewhere. So and it is getting dark quickly. All right. I know, doesn't seem like it's been forever, but we're almost there. I do stop the video every now and then. I don't keep it rolling, but we are just about there. I have no idea where the cameraman went. But we're going to keep on trucking. Go back and see if I can find him. He's behind me somewhere, tracking something. So, alright. Alright, we're down really near where this stuff is at. So here's a bridge they talked about. Yeah, they talked about this bridge. All right. So it is in this area that the sighting was captured. So I'm looking for, they said the sighting literally was on trail. So I'm kind of looking for things off the trail. But there's a swamp right there. Good spot. So, alright, I'm gonna keep going a little bit. If you guys see anything, oh, sorry, let me know. But I believe this is the area, because they talked about the bridge. They talked about like that little waterfall. And the waterfall was coming underneath the road. We're away from the road now. So we turned away from it. The path comes up like by the waterfall to like a secondary road. It's not even used that much. I don't even know what it is. Probably for service vehicles for the park. So, there's a major place down here. Yeah, I think this is where, I think I'm getting into the location now where it was at, because they talked, I think this is the creek. Yeah, it's a big creek. That's it. Alright guys, I'm sorry about it. I don't have my stick, my recording stick with me. I gave it to Jack, or the cameraman, for him to use. So I'm going to start looking for evidence in this area, because this is what I do believe they said it's going to be. Because there's the major big creek right there. So this has got to be where it's at right here. So right in this area. Whoa. So yeah, this is where it was at. This is the sighting area. I can't get over there to find tracks. That really sucks. I don't know. I really don't want to fall in there today. So we're going to go down here a little bit further and see if I can get over on that side. But anyway, guys, this is the sighting area. So let's see. I'm guessing it's right over here. Cameraman is actually right on that bank right there. That's where he's at. That's where he's actually filming. I found him a minute or two ago. So this right here, this whole bank side is where we're looking, because it's literally on the other side of the river. There is tracks right on the other side. I'm almost tempted to walk this log. But if I fall in, that's up to my waist or higher. That's gonna suck going home. It's gonna be because it is cold. But there is tracks. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's some kind of tracks over there. But this thing came to this side of the river. That's where it chased him out. So, so those tracks do come to the creek and out. I don't know if you guys can see that or not on the side. I don't know if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. But you guys can't see the tracks anyway. So the trail that the people are on, right up on top of that ridge. That was where they were. And they said that it literally came over the river here because the waterfall is kind of over there. So this is the major creek. That little creek flows into here. And they said as soon as you go past that, there's gonna be like a beach area where you can, where they were, and this thing literally came up through the creek, river, whatever. I think this is actually a river. Because there's the tracks. Right there, I'm looking at them. So, let me see if there's any, tracks coming up here. I mean, that's a huge jump that had to come up here. But there's more signs on the other side. I gotta figure out how to get to the other side. So maybe this, oh, all right guys, here's some kind of a sign. I'm wondering if Cameraman's having better luck than I am, because he's literally no more than 100 yards away from, well, maybe, yeah, I'm 100 yards, 200 yards away from me, just over on that bend over there. So he might be having a little bit more. That. All right. I'm actually looking for the cameraman right now. I think he's up here somewhere. But I'm not real quite sure. I know he was only like 200 yards from me. We don't have radios or anything on us today. Nothing. All right.
Oh, it's nice to be back on trail.
Yeah, it is nice to be back on trail. Yeah, I caught up with the cameraman. I showed him the area where we saw the beach and the foot tracks. He put it on his video. Just to remind you guys, this is going to be all extra footage. This is going to be camera 2, more kind of a notes if you guys will. So the cameraman's video would be actually the main video to watch, but
Yeah, great job on finding the area, man.
well, yeah, it was.
You tracked that down pretty quick.
Yeah, it was.
I was actually thinking we're never gonna find it.
Yeah,
And you were
exactly.
bam. That was awesome.
So it was a pretty cool area. But we need to get back out there and check those tracks out.
Yeah, so we'll go over into this area before it gets dark, and I'll show you those prints,
Yeah.
and you can tell me what you think.
Man, that's wet. There's a lot of mud out here.
Oh, a lot.
I didn't think it'd be this muddy.
I love that you're back, Trapper.
It's nice to be back.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's exciting.
I mean, we don't have any lights to get out, so we got to make sure we're out of here. It's going to get dark in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
But this
But
is a...
remember, you always got a good couple minutes on your phone that your phone will stay brighter than it is outdoors.
Yeah. Yeah, the camera will actually look brighter.
Yeah. Which is nice. That gives you an extra blanket, you know.
Right.
So never panic. Always turn on your camera. And
Right.
so a little FYI.
I mean, this trail's so well marked anyway.
Yeah.
This trail is actually a big giant loop. Jack and I are actually taking that big loop.
Yeah, you can probably show them on your map.
Yeah, I can show them on my outros when we get closer back.
Yeah. I think they'll like seeing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's some crazy noise.
Yeah, that was a crazy noise. Anyway, you were saying about you wonder what those people thought.
Yeah, I was wondering what those people thought when they laid eyes on this thing. I wonder if you are those people and you come across this video that laid eyes in the Grassman in the National Forest here in Ohio, please contact us.
Yeah. I'd love to get your story.
Yeah, we found the area, but we would all love to hear your story.
Yes, we would. Yeah, because to make it clear, we didn't actually talk to the people. It was just rumors. Someone we were talking to here before we went out. You know, because, you know, everybody knows that the cameraman likes to talk to everybody.
Yeah, that is true.
And he tells us, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to our channel.
I'd like to hear if anybody had any accounts.
Yeah, and we're just coming out for a hike.
Best way is to talk to the locals.
Look at that, guys. These tree formations are kind of weird. Look at that. On both sides of the trail. I know it's getting kind of dark. Look how those are shredded. Those are shredded. Huge trees.
Wow.
Just shredded.
Yes, they are.
Even on this side. Guys, that's pretty. There's a waterfall right there, kind of trickling. Yeah. So this is a big giant loop that the cameraman and I are walking. As you guys know, I do carry all trails. I'm trying to show you the loop. If I can get this to work without dropping my phone. But you can see there's more stuff out there. That's all swamp. We need boots.
We need boots.
That's all swamp out there.
That's all swamp.
Whoop! Alright.
Get a good echo.
Yeah. We are about to climb straight up. Alright, so anyway, I don't know if you guys can see, but that is the green is where we've been hiking. So this is just one. Alright. So it's a big giant loop. No, I haven't filmed the whole entire loop. So I do apologize. Like I said, this is gonna be camera 2 stuff. But I'm up. We gotta walk straight up. So all kinds of tree bends. It's not really that bad of a climb. Not at all. But we are almost back to the vehicles, or at least I am. Cameraman kind of split off. But because I want to try this high ridge. He's checking down below. It's a long ways down. I'm hearing some kind of whoops noises here. I don't know if you guys can hear them or not. That's my phone. I had to go off for a minute. Saw something white walk through here, large. Top of the head. Maybe I was seeing things. I don't know. So, let me know if you guys see anything. I don't know. It was really weird though. Alright guys, I'm sorry I haven't been filming that much. I found a lot of people up on this part of the trail up when the switch back to come back to the vehicles. So I'm gonna end it here, guys. Yeah, the cameraman's video will be longer than mine. This was just camera 2 video footage, extra footage. So, alright guys, I'm gonna end it now. It's getting really, really dark. I can't really see where I'm going and the camera's not gonna show anything. So with that being said, I'm Matt with The Unknown Outdoors. I will see you guys on the next adventure.